Hi everyone, in this video I will try to teach you how to create the MPEG-DASH in FFStudio and show you how to validate it and roll back to the MP4s. Let's start from the beginning. We need to create the input node. Input node, we will select the source from which we will create the MPEG-DASH. It's gonna be like our main demo source. Then we want to create the output. Output gonna be our MPD file. We can call it manifest.mpd, and that's it. We will create in this video the MPEG-DASH with two quality levels. It's, let's say, 700p and 480p. To do this, we need to extract the streams from the source and route them to the output. We need to create the stream selector, select the video. We can specify exactly what video stream we want to extract, but in general, in basic MP4, there is only one video stream. Yeah, for audio it's a different story. We will connect it. Then we additionally want to provide the audio to the output. So we select the audio stream, we will extract it from the source, and we route them to the output. So let's route them to the output. I will route the video stream twice because we will have two quality levels. For that we need two streams, because each one of them will have different flags related to the resolution and bitrate. Yep, so but for audio it's gonna be basically passed through, nothing gonna change in this case, but if you wanna, you can change the audio too. Yes, so then what we wanna do is we wanna specify our dash container, set it up. For that we wanna search for dash node in the mixers category, and connect it to our output mixer. Then what we wanna set up for our basic case is pretty simple. We have 10 seconds video. We wanna split it on a couple of segments for this example. Let's try 3 seconds duration of one segment, so we will have like 3 or 4 segments in the results. And what we want to do additionally, we want to specify the segment name and media segment name. It's actually not name, it's a full path. So let's take the same path from our target manifest file, set it here, and I prepare here the names that contains patterns. So the representation ID will be swapped with the actual ID, and let's paste it here. Yeah, and for the oh, I messed up. So we wanna take it from here and paste it here, and for this we passed it to both, but change it with our other name that contain not only representation ID but a number ID. This number ID is important because the segments might overwrite each other. Okay, so this is done, but we are not done yet, because what we need to do, we need to specify actual quality for our streams, for our quality levels. This is done by two flags that FFmpeg provides. -b, it's for the bitrate, and -s for the resolution. You can check the flag description by looking at description. Basically what it says, that we need to provide the resolution in form of VXH. Yeah, and for our main video we wanna bitrate about like, okay, 2 mil is pretty enough for that. Yeah, and the size gonna be 1280 by 720. It's 720p. Yeah, and these two flags we need to somehow connect to the output, and this is done just by chaining them together and connecting the last one to the output. Yeah, it's not the ideal solution, but it's quite difficult to overcome the FFmpeg limitations. So here we are. Yeah, and we provide the one quality level, but in our case there's two videos, so we need to provide the second one. But how we determine what resolution and bitrate for what? For this we need to specify the stream selector for each of those flags. We can copy the existing one. We can say that these two flags for the first one, for the first output stream, for the first output video stream. Yeah, and now we need to provide the same one for the second video stream. Let's say we copy all of this, we paste it here, and we say that, yeah, this is for the second video, it's gonna be lower bitrate, and the resolution is gonna be 156 by 480. Yeah, and as I said before, we need to chain them together because it should be one long chain, and the last one should be connected to the output. And that's pretty much it. We created the graph that should create the MPEG-DASH for us with two quality, 720p and 480p. Let's try to run it. And that's it. It's working. We will just wait when it ends. And yeah, so in most cases, when you work with a FFmpeg, you don't have the way to how to validate that your MPEG-DASH is correct. Every quality level is there, so you need to go manually checking the manifest file and checking if there are the all resolution provided and everything. But in FFStudio there is a hefty tool, the stream player. It's called stream player, yeah, and here you just provide local MPEG-DASH, load it, and validate the result. So we can see that video playing, the resolution is after, but we see that it's quite bad, so I assume it's 480p by default. Let's change it to 720p. Its update's not really quick, so we need to change it twice, and yep, this one is higher quality. But you might say that it's not really high quality and nothing changes, but for that let's try to do one more thing. Let's try to swap the media for one of our quality levels. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna move it a little bit here, we're gonna clone the input node, and we select the different input for our stream, additional stream. So what we wanna do, we will remove the one stream from here, we copy this. So basically what we will do is we provide the different video for the second stream. Yep, let's restore our audio, and that's it. So what we managed to do is, for the one of the quality levels we provide one video, for the second one it's a different video. So if we run it now, it will run, and we will see that in the player. Let's reload our media, loaded, and now we should see the little bit different content. Yeah, we can see it. It's different and it's for ATP, as I said. Let's try to reload it to 720p. And this is the 720p and no changes to the video content. So as you can see that now our MPEG-DASH contains two separate video streams with the two separate quality levels, and the content is completely different. Yeah. Next, what I want to show you how to roll it back, how to convert back from the MPEG-DASH to separate MP4 videos. Yep. Let's start from removing this all, and what we will do, we create our input, and as input we specify our MPEG-DASH. And FFmpeg allows us to work with MPEG-DASH as with any others videos. And our quality levels will be represented as streams. So all we need to do is just extract the streams by ID, for example, video stream 0 and video stream 1, and let's say audio stream. Yeah, we will extract these three streams from our MPEG-DASH and provide it to the two separate MP4 outputs. So let's create the output. Let's provide these two streams, audio and video, for the first output, and the audio and video for the second one. And now we can set the result 1 MP4 and the result 2 MP4. Yep, and that's pretty much it. We will convert our MPEG-DASH into two separate MP4 files. Let's run it. And now you can see that we have two media. One of them is the higher quality, other is lower quality, and contains the differences that we are encoded in our MPEG-DASH. So that's it. We can check these two files in our compare player. It's pretty easy. We can load one, we can load second. We can see that quality level is dropping in the second one because it's a lower quality one, and we can fast forward it somewhere in the middle to see that, yeah, the content has differences. And that's pretty much it. If you like the video, please leave a like and comment if you have any questions.